Hi, this is Rachel, and if you keep losing the date and time, then you've come to the right place. With the help from Brian, we are going to show you how to replace the battery in the legacy display screens. Changing the date and time is easy, but if you keep losing it, it's probably time to change the battery. First, we are going to unplug the power and Ethernet cables. Loosen and remove the 4 small screws. Carefully remove the back of the display. We can now see the battery, and with a small screwdriver, it can carefully be removed. Install the new battery, and we are almost done. Put it all back together and power back up. Set it back to the correct date and time, and that's it. Thanks for watching.